Hi to everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic called hardware multithreading in computer architecture. In hardware multithreading, process grind and fine grind are simultaneous. Process grind multithreading, a single thread run until the costly cell. That means second level of cache missings. Another thread starts during a style for first. Pipeline fill time requires service cycles. It does not cover the short style. Less likely to store execute the single thread. A neat hardware supports that means PC is a registered file for each threads. A little other hardwares. A fine-pointed multithreading. Two or more threads interleave instructions. One is a round-robin fashion, a skip-steal threads. Need hardware supports a separate pieces of register file for each threads. Hardware to control alternating pattern. Naturally hides a delay. Data hazard and cache missings. Pipelines run with a rare stale. Do not make a fool of multi-issues architectures. Simultaneous multithreading (SMT). Instructions from multiple threads issued on the same cycle. Users of register rename the dynamic scheduling facilities of multi-issues architectures. Need more hardware supports register files PCs for each threads. Temporarily register before commits. Supports to the sort of which threads gets results. Maximizing utilization of the execution unit. Here the conceptual diagram are thread A, thread B, and thread C and thread D. What's the difference between these four means? It's having the unique or separate IDs. Closer multithreading. A style for A and C would be longer than the inactivate provider slides. Assume that the long style and end with each threads inactivated in previous slides. A fine threads is having a skipping of A. This is known as the multithreading. Simultaneous multithreading is having a skip of A and skip of C. This skip of A is happening in two thread cycles, and the skip of C is happening only one single thread cycles. A shared memory multiple processors. Uniform memory access UMA. The name of this type of architectures hints to the fact of all processors share the unique centralized primary memory. So each CPU has the same memory access time. Owing to the architectures, these systems are also called as symmetric shared memory processors. This particular diagram shows how the memory is shared between the processor and the multiple levels of architectures. A shared memory multiprocessor non-uniform memory access is known as NUMA. These systems have shared the logical address space, but the physical memory is distributed among the CPUs, so that access the time of data depends on the position in logical memory mode access. A shared memory, a cache-only memory access COMA. Data has no specific permanent locations. Whether they stay whenever they can be loaded and or modified, the permanent location is modified. Data can be migrated and or more can be duplicated a various memory blank of centralized memory address. Thank you.